everybody, it's Erica, your favorite realtor. I am here, it's Saturday, and I am in my open house 14323 Sweetwater Lane in Conroe, Texas. This home was built by D.R. Horton. It's currently for sale under $350. I am so ready to meet families. I cannot believe it's been a while since someone has wanted to be able to put this home under contract. So I'm here to help out my teammates. Look at this beautiful exterior here in the front. We have our signs out. My beautiful balloons are out. So let's go and take a look inside of this beautiful home. It is a 1-story, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, built last year in 2022. It has an open concept interior, and here in the front, we do have the laundry room. Look at how much space you have that you can even have your fur babies in here. And they will be comfortable. A front room that is still away from the doors for people that need that for their family. And then we have the other side with a bathroom in between 2 of the bedrooms. Now, before entering the bedrooms, let's go back to this bathroom. Take a look at that. Double sinks, vinyl flooring, and look at this beautiful white brick with black mortar. You don't see this all the time in all the homes. Then, as I mentioned, we have a bedroom here in the front, and the second bedroom in this hallway that for this family has turned into a gym. All right, so we have walked all the secondary bedrooms. Now we're gonna go into the family room. Moving on, let's talk about this beautiful kitchen. Gray cabinets with a beautiful quartz slab countertop, and then we have again the same white brick with black mortar, giving it such a clean look. We have a gas range with a microwave on top. Everything is stainless steel, and look at the view into the family room. Not only that, we also have a breakfast area. So spacious enough for the whole family, and still giving you plenty of opportunities to be able to enjoy each other in this beautiful home. Now, before we finish, we are going to walk into this primary bedroom. Look at this coffered ceiling. We have a king bed and still spacious enough for a whole furniture set with the TV and plenty of light coming in. And then into the primary bathroom, we have full double sinks, quartz countertops, the same design as in the kitchen and in the bathrooms, all the way into the primary. We have an exceptional tub here needed for those resting days, and then we also have a full walk-in shower. For whatever you need that day, you have that option. And then to finish it all, walk-in closet. You see how organized this family has been. And so now that you've been able to see the interior of this home, we have to finish it all and show you the backyard. One of the great advantages of being able to go for new home construction is that many are starting to build it with a covered patio. And this family has extended the slab, and still look at this. Plenty of backyard space for whatever you will need and it looks like there is no back neighbors. Ladies and gentlemen, I cannot believe this house is still in the market. It's in Conroe. It's under $350 at the moment. The sellers are motivated. They want to find a family soon. So if you're interested and you want to know more about this home, make sure you reach out to me. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.